All right, I'm moving forward with the K-swap. Today, I got me a shifter off of eBay. Look at it. This thing cost me $200. I'm about to install it today, but before this, I want you to look at this. So this is what the engine bay look like right now. I know it looks nice, but I'm gonna have to remove the engine again. I put Loctite on the flywheel. I torqued everything down. I put the clutch on there the right way, but the pilot bearing, it looked like it was messed up. I can't remember it in the video, but look, I ordered a brand new one. I gotta pull this out. I wanna replace that, make sure the transmission side of the engine is good and don't have to ever worry about it again. And it's gonna be really quick because guess what? I got the quick release radiator support. Hold on. With those bolts, look at that. Boom, look at that, full access. Put this to the side. Now I have 100% access to the motor. I'm gonna pull this out just to get it prepped, and then I'm gonna jump into the chassis. All right, before we get to install this bad boy right here, you gotta install the base plate. This goes on top of the existing shifter hole that you have in your chassis. Now, the pieces that you see that's curved at the top, flips like that, right? And then it sits right over the shifter hole. And if you look in there, there's two shafts where you send these bolts through, which is these two shaft holes right here. I don't know what they call, but you get it. Place this over it. Put these two bolts in, screw it down, and after you do that, you want to drill some holes right here and basically do the same thing, but you're gonna have to get under the chassis to lock them in place. Now that the base plate is officially installed, it's in there tight, now we install the shifter, which sits perfectly on top. The hardware pieces, they got these washers that you seat in there like that on each one, right? It's pretty straightforward. And then after that, you lock them in place. All right, so the K-tuner shifter is finally installed, but I'm quickly realizing that I'm not gonna be able to run my centerpiece. Where's it? My Gucci centerpiece no more because it's just not, god damn it, it's just not gonna fit. Here, let's see, line this up right here. Oh, will it? Will it fit? Will it fit? No, yeah, it's just not gonna fit. But honestly, it looks better like this. I don't mind running this. I mean, this is kind of, it was nice while I had it, but hey, we're moving on to bigger and better things. I can run this though. Look at that. Yeah. Side note, if you want this, you can have it. Just hit me up on Instagram, it's yours. The only downfall about it is the water cup holder, it doesn't stay up. It comes up, but the spring is missing. That's, yeah, see, there's a spring that's supposed to go there, it's missing. But if you want it, it's yours, I don't want it. Moving on to the shifter cables, the easiest way you can go ahead and install this is you're gonna have to remove these small hardware screws right here. They screw out like that. Yeah, and you pull it out just like that. Do not lose it. I'm gonna set mine up in here just like that and install it into its proper placing. All right, so when you install this, first thing you need to do is screw this all the way back. So far back that it's separated. Now, when it comes to installing it, push this back through. You want to line it up, pull it right back through, and then you're going to want to tighten it right back up. Tighten it all the way down, and I know that most people will probably get to this part and try to figure out, how can they get it? Just pull this back, man. Just pull it back, line it up, and then you're going to send this bolt right back through. Now we're on the outside of the chassis. Now, this is where it requires some more drilling. Why? Because we're going to place this plate on a firewall. Before we get the drilling, we're going to install this grommet. It got slits on the side, and you're just going to slide the wire through and push it in. Now, for the firewall grommet, you're just going to have to hold it up to the firewall and drill, honestly, because I don't know how else we're supposed to do it, but hey, we're going to make it work. That thing, it's not going nowhere. So I can't finish this simply because I got the transmission, the engine. I can't finish this because the engine is separated from the chassis, you know what I'm saying? And this piece right here, it's just not gonna work. So I'm gonna have to order a new piece. As you can see, one's higher than the other. Left is higher than the right. And it just doesn't make any sense because the right is higher than the left. But follow me, follow me, follow me. look how good this looks. Man. I can't wait to be switching gears in this. But it's Saturday night, and I'm about to go get me a drink. So y'all can ride with me since I don't have nothing else to record. I swear, my neighbors hate every time I start my car, but I don't really give a fuck. And the tire pressure light is on. I can guarantee you I know what tire it is. I'm about to go to the gas station, put some air in this tire, and give me a drink. Oh, this is shit right here. Bought a Honda cause I always wanted one. Oh! A brand new road. Driving like a 4-wheeler. Solid gold AP. Flip. Got this back. Alright, so I know that I don't put this car on the channel much. I need to start putting it on because it's my daily. And I need to get it fixed up. This tire seems nice, that tire seems nice. I already looked at it. But this tire right here, I can tell that it's already low. It says it on the dash. Alright, so this is my baby, my Audi. This is my daily car, my daily. This is what I drive every damn day while my Honda's in the garage. I need to make sure this car is top tier shape because if this car ain't running, then I ain't got nothing to drive in. Really, well, besides my white car. Let's see. 39. This is my view right now. What's that say? Come on. That was pretty low. They bumping that thing on the radio today. Y'all hear that?
That shit crack. She said they can get married at the mall. I said, look at me.
Man, this gas station closed. Hold on, let me finish this up. Look, when I went to the gas station, nobody was there. But as soon as I get done filling up air in my tire, I'm telling you that gas station filled up completely. I don't know why. It happens every single time. I'm gonna go somewhere where they got some light. I'm gonna show you the car real quick. Then I'm gonna go and stop to a gas station that's actually open and give me some water. All right, so I know I'm all over the place with this video, but I gotta give the Audi some appreciation. Look at it. It's 2014, 10 years old, got about 150,000 miles on it, getting 160, getting close to it. But hey, this is my baby. This is my baby. I'm about to put some new rubber on it. That's probably gonna be my next video, cause that damn tire in the back, I ran over a nail that was about like that long. It went inside my tire, and then I passed it. Where it at? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Can I feel it? Oh man, it's under, you can't see it. Let me put the flash. You see it? Right there. I passed it right there. And since that tire bad, I know the other tire is going to be kind of bad. So I felt like this is the best chance for me to go ahead and get a whole set of tires for the wintertime. Because I'm thinking about getting some new rims for this car, so I might go cheap. But hey, never go cheap on your tires. I'm just doing it temporarily because I'm about to get some new rims soon. And I'm about to rewrap the car. So let's do a pool. Got it. All right, let's do it. Traffic. Goddamn. Can't do it. Got the blue water. I ain't even gonna lie. I was gonna give y'all a hit in this car, but they had, in the 1 mile radius circle that I went through, they had a cop almost on every corner, or they had traffic. But yeah, maybe one day I give me a GoPro and show y'all a video of me sending it maybe in Mexico. But I'll end the video. This is what the car looked like, still taking apart. K-swap still in progress. If you haven't, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.